Good morning, YouTube community. Today we're going to be talking about making the Z sound. The Z sound. It is a very important sound. It is a sound that is called the cognate to the S sound. It's the voiced version of the S sound. The Z sound is a sibilant interdental voiced sound. The components when making the sound are your teeth, your tongue, breath or air stream, hard palate, and your larynx or voice box. Here are the steps to making the Z sound. 1. We take a small to medium breath. 2. We bring our upper and lower teeth together. 3. We arch the middle of our tongue to almost touch the hard palate, this time a little further back than the S sound. 4. This is the important step. We must engage our larynx or voice box right down here. That means we're going to be closing our vocal folds to make this sound. Then we release the breath, our breath slowly, and we'll have the Z sound. Z practice. Words that begin with the letter Z or the sound Z. Zip, zoo, zone, zen, zap. Word with the Z in the middle. Buzzard, busy, breezy, easy, hazard. With the Z at the end. Seize, sneeze, keys, was, phase. Z sentences. The buzzing bees stung the nosy bear. 2. The hazy sun was easy to take with the cool breeze. 3. Zoe Logan is my first cousin who resides in Louisiana. 4. The buzzard seized the keys to my Mazda. 5. The Louisiana Zoo visit was a Zen experience. Making the Z sound. You take a small to medium breath, so it looks like this. Zzz. Zzz. Hey YouTube, thank you for joining me on this presentation of how to make the Z sound. Have a great day and God bless. I'll see you in the next one.